When I am making waist beads, I like to try different strings to find out which one is the best. I do like the cotton threads and elastic and some others, but I decided to experiment with a new type of thread. This is the nylon thread. It feels good to work with. I really like it when I'm making waist beads. It's thin, so it fits through the smaller beads. It's inexpensive, and I think it's really good quality. I thought that this was definitely a winner, and it really still is, but one of my clients told me that hers unraveled. So I decided to test the strand out myself, which is something that I always do, but I didn't at this time because I already had on so many waist beads. I didn't want to add any more. I tied on the nylon strand and added glue to the knot, and I've been wearing it for months. It's still on. There's no sign that it's going to break or unravel. So in my opinion, this nylon thread is one of the best strings to use for making waist beads.